Alright, so my kids are always losing their bookmarks. So I found this neat idea that we're going to make today. And all we're going to need is some cardstock, a magnet, and duct tape. So first we're going to start with our cardstock, and we're going to mark it 1.5 inches by 7. And then we're just going to cut those strip out. So once we have our strip, we're just going to fold it in the center and then just even everything up. Now that we have our bookmark all ready, we're going to pick some duct tape, any kind. We've got some blues and purples and silvers and golds and greens and stars. I think we're going to use this fun star one. We're just going to rip a piece that's big enough to cover our cardstock. We're just going to lay and smooth it down on to the duct tape, like so. Now you can, if you would like, if you can use a stronger magnet than what I'm going to use today, you could cover both sides in the duct tape and then put your magnet on. I'm just going to cover, I'm going to leave a little bit for the edge just to fold it over. On each side. And then all you need to do is just trim around your edges to butt up right against your cardstock. Alright, so once we have that, I'm gonna fold it just to make sure it's all even. So once we've got it all trimmed, we're just going to take a magnet, and this is just from a Shutterfly order that I had of magnets and the top piece that comes with it. I saved them and then I use them for crafts like this. So I'm just going to take a piece, you know, 2 pieces about the same size. And then I'm using Aleene's Quick Grab tacky glue because it does dry a little bit faster and it holds quicker. And I'm just going to put this, just a drop, you don't need a whole bunch, right there. And then you kind of just eyeball it as to where your other one goes. And then just put this down as well. And you're going to let those dry. Once they're dry, this is your final product. So just pop your little bookmark right into your book when they're all done reading. Just like that. Super cute. And they can design these any which way they like. Lots of duct tape out there. So I hope you enjoyed this quick creative craft with duct tape today to make those cute, inexpensive bookmarks for your kids' books. Don't forget to subscribe to Creative Home Life for all of our latest videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.